Hello, investors. Welcome to Chart Shastra. Today is day 33 of our 100-day price action challenge. I think you might have understood the importance of charts by now, especially you have identified the market correction beforehand itself, and you are already out of most of your positions and you're peacefully watching the market. Because if you look at today, Nifty has broken its crucial support. You can see, right? We have been talking about this 23,200 level, and today you have been seeing there is a carnage. Literally, there is a bloodbath in the market. If you look at Nifty next 50, which I have already highlighted that this is the breakdown, and from there already it was down 8%. Today itself the index is down 4%. The Nifty next 50 or Nifty Junior is one of the weakest indices now. Even the Nifty 100 has, which is our universe, has seen a major correction of 2% today, right? And look at the mid caps and small caps. No, nothing is paid today. In fact, mid cap index has also broken its crucial long term support. Now, this election low levels would be acting as the next support levels for the market. Look at small cap too. In fact, it has broken this trend line and currently it is heading down. This used to be the previous support. I didn't draw this. I thought this wouldn't get broken that easily. But you can see here, right? I'm already drawing this line. The market has broken this line too. This is very crucial line. Same with Nifty Microcap Index too. So overall, the Nifty 500, which is the broader market index, is down 2.5%. It has broken its crucial support. It's been a very long time. You can see this looks like a head and shoulder pattern. This is the right shoulder, this is the left shoulder, and this would be the head. If you look at it, do not just focus on the patterns, understand the psychology behind it. Ideally, an head and shoulder pattern usually suggests the market has to correct another 10% from here, but don't just believe it always. I am telling you, just focus on the price action. Let's start with the sectoral indices. I've already informed that banks are one of the weakest names here, and in fact, from this level, banks were down another 3.5%. Today, the private banks actually resisted the correction, but if you look at the public sector banks, Friday already there was a massive selling, and today it was much higher selling on the private banks too. In fact, they too has broken long-term support level. You will be seeing a very common theme today. In fact, IT, I was little surprised. IT is still holding its today. The HCL Tech results would come out after the market close. In fact, Infosys is at almost all-time high. Let's look at these stocks, how they are performing on our individual stocks. Auto, again, I've told you, be careful, and it got rejected exactly at this level, and today you have seen it has broken this level too. Realty index is down 6.5%. That's massive fall in realty index. In fact, it has broken out many of its crucial support zones. This would be one zone, this would be another zone. Everything. Rapid selling today. Pharma is down 2%. Infrastructure, look at here. Even this would be acting as a support, right? Even this was also broken down today. The entire theme is common. Even FMCG is also going lower. Telecom is going lower. Healthcare index is down 2.5%. Media is down 4.5%. That's massive selling, right? Let's see how the individual stocks has done. In fact, if not for Reliance, Nifty would have been corrected a lot today. Reliance is down only flat 0.1%, and TCS2 is holding up. I'm little bit surprised at its strength. Probably the money is completely moving out of the market, but whatever the money is left, they are trying to move into IT stocks. Look at HDFC is in the clear downtrend. Bharati Airtel, still it is sideways. I'm surprised that people are not selling Bharati Airtel. That's a very strong trade for this stock. If as long as the Bharati Airtel respects this level, it is good. Even if the results come out good, it might even break out because the market is looking something like that, especially for Bharati Airtel. ICICI Bank, you can see here that the stock is down 1.6%, not looking good. Look at Infosys. I'm just zooming in. I just want you to understand the importance of charts as well as a concept called relative strength. When the entire group is falling or the entire Nifty 50 stocks are correcting, this stock is not even correcting. That means that smart money is not exiting from this name, right? Especially the Infosys. So observe this watch. In fact, it has It might break out this level and go if the results are good. Looks like Infosys acting very one of the strongest name in the Nifty 100. State Bank of India, see, very big breakdown. It is going down. ITC, nothing good, not looking good. Hindustan Unilever, same, nothing improvement. And LIC, I have already told you this is where the stock has fallen, and this was the confirmation candle, and today it was down another 3%. Many stocks, the smart money is exiting. HCL Tech still holding it. Today it's the result day. Let's see how it acts. LNT not looking good. Sun Pharma is also correcting. See here, this was the false breakout happened. It quickly came back this level, and in fact today it has broken below this consolidation. It looks very weak. Bajaj Finance too coming back slowly. This was the stronger candle. We thought it would respect this level, but looks like even Bajaj Finance has also given up. NTPC, have been warning, this is one of the weakest, especially the electrical utilities. Utilities are the stocks which are seeing massive fall over the last few weeks. You will be seeing this again today as well. Axis Bank, it has in fact went below this level, but there was a good closing. But again, this does not just prove it, right? Look at Infosys and look at Axis Bank. Axis Bank is still weaker in my assumption. Maruti too trying to respect this level as of now. Okay-ish hai, but if it goes below this 10,800, we have already seen on the sectoral chart that Nifty Auto is going below its support zone. Kotak Mahindra down 1% again, very choppy name, ignore it. Even Mahindra and Mahindra is also going down back to its consolidation. ONGC, this was, I guess, just the short covering because looks like from this level, ONGC is again heading down in a serious downtrend. Tata Motors not looking good. Ultratech Cement again probably testing these levels, especially this 10,500. If it goes below this level, again there would be massive selling. Adani stock is down 6%. I've told you, right? It has failed to breach this gap filled. So again, it is looking very weak. Power grid again, electric utilities. I've told you stay away from these names. Down 4%. Titan, nothing interesting here. Sideways, very choppy. Bajaj Auto still again testing its lower level despite this much correction. The stock is again trying to move down. Adani Ports down 4%. All the Adani stocks have suffered. Coal India, I've already explained. This is one of the stock which is acting in a perfect series of downtrend, and again it is acting exactly as we expected. Asian Paints to becoming very weak. I've already warned. Very, very, very large overhead supply. Very weak name. Wipro again down 3%, maybe waiting for its result. Let's wait and watch. It would be interesting. Hindustan Aeronautical, look at here. In fact, it has broken. I've already warned you that this would is already almost a confirmation of weakness, and today it has successfully broken down. Right now, the market is very, very, very overextended on the downside. Maybe we might see 1 or 2 days of sideways or up move, little bounce in the market called dead cat bounce. Bajaj Finserv, I'm a little surprised here. It is still holding this level. Actually, it is acting good. Let's wait and see. It would be interesting to watch. DMART down another 5%. I've told already, right? Do not just made your decision with single day performance. Everyone thought DMART has a very strong reversal, but look at here. In fact, it again reached this 3400, one of the lowest levels of the stock. Trend down 5.5%. It used to be one of the strongest names in the Nifty 100. Right now, it is also acting weak. So when the leaders broke down, it indicates that there is a bear market coming ahead, or the at least for next few weeks or few months, the market won't be as good as it used to be. Adani Green down 5%. Simons, I've already told, I've taken a shot again. Perfect. 5% down today. Massive, massive. Again, electrical utility. JSW still not looking good. Adani Power down 6.7%. This was the. You're seeing a common theme, right? The stocks are breaking before the index, breaking down before the index, which usually gives us. That's why I always advocate that observe the charts. It will tell the picture before the market crash itself. In fact, whoever following this challenge, I guess they have already found out that the market is not looking good in the Jan first week itself. In fact, in the December itself, right? Zomato down another 6.5%. I've told you that this was the breakdown, and probably I was expecting 240, maybe a little bounce, but again from 240 it has corrected another 7%. Massive, massive fall. Nestle is holding up interestingly, but again the entire FMCG has down. IOC, I've already told this name too. This was acting very weird and very poor, and today it was down another 6%. See, Bharat Electronics, same situation, many stocks. I've already made my video like in day 27 or day 28. Most of the stocks are at this crucial support. If this support level is broken down, there is no hope left in the market. Looks like at least for the short term, the market is going to look very bad. Varun Beverages, same scenario. Geo Finance, see massive, massive fall. Literally in the last 19 days, it was down 20%. Today it's down 5%. DLF again, see, major support. In fact, even during the election day, it has closed above this level. But today, look at here, massive correction. That should ideally signal you something that market is not looking good. Tata Steel down 3.5%. Vedanta too, same. At least it is still above these levels, right? You can draw another line here. Grasim, same story, breaking down. IRFC, I've already told you that it does not look good. It does not look good. Don't chase railway stocks too. In fact, don't chase any stocks now. LTIM is holding up because IT is favoring currently. Indigo is down 5% with a large gap. See, this was the line here, and in fact, it has broken down. So, probably we can delete this. This is just a fake breakout happened here. See? Not at all looking good. TechM sideways again. It is also down 2.6%. SBI Life at least holding up because it has already seen a lot of correction. Good thing as long as it doesn't break this 1373, it might hover around these levels. Pidilite too, it has broken down today, down 3.6%. ABB down 4.8%. Bapre. Divi's Lab still at least respecting these levels. If it goes below this, even we might see another selling in Divi's. HDFC Life still heading down, right? Hindalco, same scenario, almost same chart going down. PFC, this was the breakdown and again down 3.6%. Britannia is holding up at least. Ambuja Cement, very weak, going down. Gale, very weak. See, very common pattern. I don't have to explain each chart now. You are literally seeing Tata Power, one of the weakest names and the first, especially in 2025 recently, in the first movement onwards, it is acting very weird and weak. REC2, it is gone case. See, Mothers and Sumi going down, lot of correction. BPCL too, just like IOC with a gap down and a large correction today. Godrej Consumer Products, see, it is also looking like reversing down. Eicher Motors, in fact, it has closed below this breakout level. So there is a heavy storm coming in the market. I don't think no matter how strong you are, you can't resist the storm, right? Bank of Baroda again, same long base breakout, breakdown. Cipla going down. JSW Energy is one of the weakest name. Back to back, it is down same 20% in last 7 sessions. That's a massive correction for a large cap name. TVS Motor, same scenario. See how it has corrected. Torrent Pharma, it's also broken this consolidation. Maybe it will test this 3060 level. Sriram Finance, post split also, there is a lot of supply now. In fact, it is also going down. Cholamandalam, at least it is holding up, but again, it is not making new 52-week low. Probably it might in future. Bajaj holding, classic fake breakout here and see as quickly as it is coming down. Just Adani Energy Solutions going down again, breakdown. Punjab National Bank, still this 92 level would be crucial. If it breaks this 92 level, right, again, another series of selling. Dr. Reddy's, it used to be one of the stronger, and it is also now changing its gear. Probably, let's wait and see. United Spirits, one of the stronger names now. The entire alcohol theme is also gone. There used to be some kind of traction in alcohol stocks, hotel stocks, hospital stocks, but looks like the market, especially the correction, has taken over all the themes. Nothing looks interesting. Look at Lodha, it is literally down 9.2%. It also used to be the stronger name, right? Here we have thought that this was one of the stronger name, but look at today. Leaders, all the leaders are breaking down today. That is very bad for the market. iPro is also going down. It used to be very little volatile stock. Even now it is going down. Havels, another major breakdown support here. See, Boss, same story. Breakdown here, a strong follow through. Apollo Hospitals literally testing these levels. If it breaks below this, again, you know what's the story. Zydus Life, at least it is holding up, but again, it has already corrected a lot from here, right? Hero Motocap, no, 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 it is ruthless selling. This is the stock is not even trying to move up. One of the weakest name in auto. It is down almost 36%. My God. Naukri, same story. Almost from this level, the stock is down 20% in last 4, 5 sessions. One, two, three, four, five, 6 sessions. It is down 20%. Massive selling. Naukri and its stock. Tata Consumer Product, at least it has held up today. That's a good thing. Dabur is holding up because it is almost at 3 years low. ICICI Lombard still respecting these levels, right? Interesting to watch here. Jindal still again, it used to be very choppy. Even today, it is also going down. Sri Cement, we know, very choppy name and complete avoid. Canara Bank, oh my god, it is down 88. It is down. It used to be very strong level, this 94. Probably PNB is the last one to break down. Union Bank, we know this was one of the weakest name and this is going down. IndusInd, not looking good. Adani Total Gas, not at all looking good. See, again, broke down. It's probably these stocks will test these levels again. NHPC down 5%. I've told you, electric utilities are one of the weakest name, and this was the confirmation of breakdown. And today it was down 5%. BHCL, same stock, same story, another 6% down stock. IRCT is also for down 4%. So that's the end of our 100 stocks. You can see that the entire market itself is not at all looking good. Please stay away from the market. And now the market, I'm actually warning you that the market is bit of overextended on the downside. Now do not short the positions. It is not the time to go short to. It is not the time to go long to. It is the time to stay away from the market. I request everyone to stay away from it because you will burn your hands unnecessarily. I've been sitting on 90% cash for the last 3 to 4 months. I've been doing nothing almost. So I hope that this analysis is making sense to you. I would love to know your comments. See you tomorrow. Thank you.